Discover the kitchen revolution you've been waiting for with the Ninja Foodi NeverStick Premium Cookware Set. This 12-piece ensemble redefines nonstick cookware, providing a superior cooking experience that won't stick, chip, or flake. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the innovative features that make this cookware set a game-changer in your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Ninja Foodi NeverStick Premium Cookware Set is the ultimate addition to your kitchen. Here's why you need it. Experience culinary excellence with a cookware set that marries innovation, durability, and versatility. NeverStick Difference Unparalleled Nonstick Performance. Say goodbye to frustratingly sticky pans. The NeverStick technology sets this cookware apart, boasting a superheating process at 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit that fuses plasma ceramic particles to the pan's surface. This creates a superbarred, textured exterior, forming a superior bond with the exclusive coating. The result is a non-stick surface that stands the test of time, ensuring easy food release day after day without sticking, chipping, or flaking. 10-year guarantee. Confidence in durability. Backed by a 10-year guarantee, the NeverStick technology is designed to withstand high-heat cooking and aggressive scrubbing when used as directed. This long-term assurance speaks volumes about the durability of this cookware set, making it a reliable investment for your kitchen. Hard-anodized exterior beauty and resilience combined. The premium cookware set features a shot-blasted, hard-anodized exterior that rivals the durability of stainless steel. Resistant to scratches and wear, this exterior not only ensures the longevity of the cookware, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Oven-safe versatility. Take your culinary creations to new heights with the Ninja Foodi NeverStick Premium Cookware Set. Go seamlessly from stovetop to oven, with all components, lids, handles, and non-stick coating oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Experience the freedom to finish cooking meat, brown toppings, or bake like cast iron for a variety of mouth-watering dishes. Premium design for optimal comfort. Elevate your cooking experience with the premium design of this cookware set. Ergonomically designed stainless steel handles provide comfort and maneuverability, while the tempered glass lids, featuring a 13 mm thick stainless steel rim, lock in moisture and ensure maximum visibility. Improved heat retention for perfect results. The heavy-gauge 4.5 mm aluminum base prevents hot spots and enables quick, even heat distribution for perfect results every time. With 30% more aluminum than its predecessor, the Ninja Foodi NeverStick Essential C100 series, this cookware set excels in heat retention and culinary precision. Multifunctional cooking options. Sear, saute, griddle, pan fry, shallow fry, braise, bake, roast, and broil with ease using this multifunctional cookware set. Achieve the perfect sear without needing additional oil or butter, adding versatility to your culinary repertoire. Effortless cleanup. Say goodbye to the tedious scrubbing of traditional stainless pans. The NeverStick cooking surface wipes clean effortlessly, ensuring easy cleanup after each cooking session. Dishwasher safe and easy to maintain, this cookware set simplifies your kitchen routine. Safe and easy to use, crafted with only food-safe materials, the nonstick coating is metal utensil safe, adding to the ease of use. Compatible with gas, electric, glass, ceramic, and induction stovetops, this cookware set is designed to accommodate various cooking preferences. What's included? The 12-piece set includes an 8-inch fry pan, 10-25-inch fry pan with glass lid, 12-inch fry pan with glass lid, 1 5-quart saucepan with glass lid, 2 5-quart saucepan with glass lid, 3-quart sauté pan with glass lid, and an 8-quart stock pot with glass lid. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.